FileCenter DMS is the most fully featured and affordable document management software for offices of all sizes. In fact, feature for feature, FileCenter DMS delivers at a price the competition can't touch. Among its many features is the full-fledged PDF conversion and editing suite. So there's no need to purchase a costly PDF editor. One of these features is the ability to convert PDFs to Office files and much more. Convert PDF files, even scanned ones, convert back into formatted Office documents, Word files, Excel, spreadsheets, even PowerPoint files or WordPerfect documents. Save yourself the hassle of recreating documents from scratch. As long as you have a PDF or scanned image, you can turn it back into an Office file in less than a minute. Inside FileCenter, for example, here's a copy of Abraham Lincoln's Gettysburg Address as a PDF document. I click on the Convert button. This window opens. The drop-down menu gives me 8 file types to choose from and to convert to. There are 4 image files in addition to Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. There's also a choice for WordPerfect. For this example, I choose to convert to Microsoft Word. I will keep the same name, but add today's date. I will also convert to a JPEG and then make a quick edit. With FileCenter Pro Plus, it's really that easy. FileCenter DMS, your fastest path to organize documents.